Hey, ladies and gentlemen, you got your girl Sabrina Wright here, and I am your prosperity coach. And this video today that you are watching is about personal credit versus business credit and which one is best. All right, so I get a lot of questions about personal credit and business credit, so I want to break it on down to you, right? So let's get into it. But first, I need you to like this video. Make sure that you are subscribed to this YouTube channel, yes, so that you get some of these amazing videos, yes, for free. Okay, guys, so personal credit. Personal credit is all about you, friends, all about you and your personal responsibility, all right? And so personal credit scores are used or scored on a FICO score, all right? FICO, a FICO score. And that score starts with 300, right? Because you were born, you get 300 points, all right? So 300 points all the way up to 850 is how your personal credit is looked upon, all right? And so your personal credit depends on these 5 categories, all right? That's credit history, that's credit utilization, that's payment history, that's credit mix, and new credit, all right? Payment history is 35%. Credit utilization is 30%. Your credit history is worth 15%. Your credit mix is 10%. And your new credit is another 10%. All right. So I dive deep into more of how to get those scores up and what you can do in another video. But that's not for this video, right? Look on my YouTube channel and get those other videos about me breaking down your personal credit. I just want to share with you guys today how personal credit and business credit differ, all right? And so personal credit, once again, are to those 5 things, all right? And then the personal credit also is, once again, on you. You are the personal guarantor, right? But if you want a business, your business got to be incorporated, right? Let's get into it. Your business got to be incorporated. Your business got to have a business bank account, right? We want to make sure we set our business up right. So you want to make sure your business is incorporated. Your business got an EIN number. Your business has been incorporated. And you have a business bank account. Those are the 3 things you want to make sure that you have before we start talking about business credit. All right. So now that you have those things. Okay. So now that you have those things established, your business credit is scored on something called a Paydex scoring system. All right. And your Paydex scoring system, it is from 0 to 100, all right? The higher your score is, the better your business credit is, all right? So we see the difference already, right? We see the difference. Paydex score, 0 to 100, which is your business credit. FICO score is 300 to 850. That's your personal credit, all right? So they're on 2 different scoring systems, all right? And so business credit is strictly about trade references. It's tailored to a dollar scoring system. So however much money you spend is how much business they feel the creditors can give you based upon the dollar amount you are spending. How are they keeping record of this business, this money that you are spending? By your trade references, all right? So the people that you are trading with should have a Dun and Bradstreet number. That's the number that you're going to have when you're obtaining business credit. You got to have a Dun and Bradstreet number. Most people say, oh, just use your EIN number. Yes, an EIN number is great. That's like your social security number. But when you're doing business, with business, they need your EIN number, and you gotta have a Dun and Bradstreet number, because that number is what's being reported for your business credit, all right? And then the person that you are doing business with, they have to have a Dun and Bradstreet number as well, because they will be one of your trade references. So you got to be trading with somebody who is in business and has a Dun and Bradstreet number just like you, so that Dun and Bradstreet can verify this trade line, all right? So however much money you spend will determine how much money creditors will lend to you, all right? And so when you have leases or you got car notes and things of that nature, if you don't pay your bills on time, they report to the Paydex scoring system. So they report on your late payments, all right? And so let me break it down to you how the Paydex scoring is on 3 risk categories, all right? So 0 to 49 is high risk of late payment. 50 to 79 is moderate. your average in your payments. 80 to 100, then you got a low risk that you pay your bills on time, and that is what they report to the pay debt score. All right, the greater your number is, the more likely that you will pay your bills on time. All right, the higher that number is, the better your score is in the pay debt system, the more likely you will get funded in your business. All right, so I want you guys to just to keep that in mind. And so if your credit is good, if your personal credit is good, then you don't have to be a personal guarantor with your business. Now, if you don't have good, scratch that. If you don't have business credit established and your credit is good, then they make you be a personal guarantor. So that's why people say, oh, I see some of my stuff on my business coming up on my personal credit. So, well, maybe you didn't establish your business credit good enough, so they use your personal credit to be a personal guarantee just in case you didn't pay your bills. But if you go ahead and establish that business credit, get that done in Bradstreet number, go ahead and start reporting those trade lines as soon as you get your business open. Within the next 30, I'm going to say 30, within the 90 to 180 days later, friends, you will have that business credit set up. So when you go out there and try to get funding, then you don't have to be a personal guarantee. Now, I personally, if you need the funding for business, you got to use your personal guarantee, then why not? Go ahead and do that, but build your business credit so that you can get those things off of you being a personal guarantor. All right. And an LLC will work as well, because now you're a limited liability company, so they cannot sue you personally. All right. But that's another video. That's another video as well. I won't get in deep into that. I just wanted to help you understand the difference between personal credit and business credit. All right, guys. So I hope that gave you some clarity. Personal credit is on a FICO scoring system, 300 to 850. Business is on a paydex system, 0 to 100, right? We already know the higher your score is, the better they trust you, all right? The more they trust you, all right? And so I just broke it down to you on how to establish your business credit. If you need more information on exactly how to get it done, guys, click the link in the bottom of this video. You have to be a part of my team, right? I have a personal financial success company business that I'm a part of, and we teach people about finance, and we teach people about business, all right? And so if you wanted to be a part of that business, where you learn about your business credit, you learn about your personal credit, you learn how to establish those things, you learn how to manage your money better. We have everything set up so you can keep a good record on your business and on your personal things, right? So once you do that, I personally will coach you in your business on how to obtain business credit, and also how to get your personal credit together too. Now, if you don't want to be a part of my team and you just want to pay me for my expertise and my time to help you understand business credit and personal credit, you can always shoot me an email as well, okay? You can click the link at the bottom of this video, shoot me an email, and I'll get back with you, all right? So I have a company motto. I have a friendly motto, and that is, you deserve to win, friends, all right? So click the link in the bottom of this video. Get my do-it-yourself cheat sheet, all right? I show you how to fix your credit fast, whether it's your business credit or your personal credit. So if you go ahead and go to www.diysmartcredit.com, grab my blueprint to having your credit scores increase fast, right? And then if you want me to work directly with you, you can always send me an email. Guys, you can comment right here on this video. And remember, you deserve to win. I'll see you on the other side. Bye-bye now.